Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really super easy DIY using a candlestick and a snowflake ornament. Now, first off, I want to apologize for not getting this video up earlier this morning because I didn't get this done last night. I really wanted to. But you know what? I went shopping on my lunch yesterday and I hit back 4 stores really quick, and I think that just exhausted me because when I came home I'm like, I can't do it. But I need to get this done. I really do, because I'm going to be using these to decorate with in my winter wonderland theme. I do a little bit of that either in my dining room or in my formal living room, so I definitely got to get these done. And I want to show everybody these because this is something very, like I said, super easy to do. Basically, you're only going to have 2 things that you need to get unless you want to get a few extra pieces. So we're just going to get right on into this video. The first thing you need is a candlestick. Now I got these 2. They have some little sparklies in here and it moves just a tiny bit. These are acrylic. Now I got these at Home Goods. I actually had 2, so I lucked out. I think they were either $15 or $16 a piece. And I know that's a little pricey, but you know what? I had some reward coupons. So I used them to buy these, so I got these for free. Now, these snowflake ornaments I got at Hobby Lobby. I have the packet right here. It came package of 4, and these are really thick. $9.99 on here, and they were half off. So I got 4 for $5. And they have some sparklies on them. Now, I'm not going to use these as an ornament, so I'm going to cut off the top. At least 2 of them. I'm not sure what we're going to do with the other 2 because I just don't need these as ornaments. Now, like I said, these already have some sparkle to them. I was thinking about adding some extra. I have some of these self-adhesive gemstones in this size. They're a little iridescent looking. Now, I know these don't normally stick very well, so I'm going to be hot gluing them on. And then I also got this sheet that has the different sizes because I might put some smaller ones out towards the end. The first thing I'm going to do is, because I got the candlestick with the small hole for pillar candles, I am just going to basically hot glue this in and I hope it sticks. Let's see what happens. Let's see how this is going to work out. I'm not sure. I may have to have some more hot glue. Yeah, I'm going to have to have a little bit more hot glue. Hold on here. Oops, it's dripping. Okay, so I think that's on there good enough. Let me just put a little bit right here. Make sure. There we go. Now you could be done just at this point. I mean, it looks really pretty this way. You could also tie ribbon around here or even up around here. Let's see if I can do these little gemstones without burning my fingers. Yeah. I kind of wanted to put one in the middle. And this will be done on both sides. One in the middle there. Oopsie. And the reason I'm hot gluing these on because these things are notorious not for sticking on things. They might stick on paper the best, but they certainly do not stick to anything else that I've tried. I'm always having to hot glue them on. A little bit smaller size here. Oops. Thinking, I don't know if that's too much or not. Just one on the tip. Not sure if I like that size. It's just an experiment phase here with this. Just kind of experiment with what you want to do. like these little tiny ones or not. These are really going to be hard to put on. I'll burn them myself. Ah, yep. You got me. Okay, so basically that is all you're going to be doing. If you want to, like I said, this has some sparklies, but I want a little bit more. So I am going to go ahead and put a few more on here and show you the finished product here. Well, you know what? I went ahead and did this one without putting it on the candlestick, because guess what? It's much easier. There. You know, live and learn. It was really hard to get some of these on here, but I did manage to get them all on, and it looks really pretty. Now, I'm going to go ahead and glue this one in. Oops. Lost one of my glue sticks there. Now, this has only taken me about 10 to 15 minutes to do both of these. Now I'm only doing one side on here right now for the gemstones that I put on. Because where I'm going to set these, no one's going to see the back side. But like I said, it only took me, oops, lost one. Where'd this one go? Oh no, where did this one go? I think this was an extra one. That's funny. Yeah, it's like one of these little ones fell off, but I don't see one gone. I have them all. I see all of them there. I'm just going to add a little bit extra glue here. Back side. Let's get in here. Get all the little spider webby things off of it too. So there we go. All right, got two of them. Now you could use even like a mercury glass candlestick for it. And you don't even have to put these gemstones on like I did. I just want a little extra bling. But see, here's the back side. You can see the difference. Let's see here. Can you see the difference on that? I just wanted a little bit of extra bling to it. And I might even put a ribbon here. Not sure yet. Okay, so I'm going to clean out the table and we'll come back for a little bit of chit chat. Well, you know what? I have to say, I really love how these turned out. And like I said, super fast and easy. Let's go up here a little bit closer, kind of see maybe how pretty they are. And like I said, I didn't do the back sides today. Don't necessarily have to. Where I'm going to put these, no one's going to see the back sides, but if you want to, you can go ahead and do it. Like I said, it took me maybe close to 15 minutes to do both of them, and I did burn my fingers a few times. Another suggestion is possibly if you're using really small gemstones, use tweezers to put them on. I just put the hot glue on and just kind of stuck them really quick. And of course, like I said, much easier not to have the snowflake on here. Like I said, live and learn. That's how it is. It's always trial and error with things. And I think I am going to put some kind of a little bit of a ribbon or a bow, something. I might find something else to kind of hang from here. We'll have to see. But I'll definitely be showing these off when I do my Winter Wonderland. And like I said, I am here on my lunch, and this is how quick and easy this is. Now, right now, it is 2:19, and that's Mountain Time. I'm here in Colorado. So let's see how fast I can get this video edited and get it uploaded for you. So I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'm hoping to see you on Friday for the rest of this kitchen tour, because tonight I'm definitely going to finish up my decorating. So bye for now.